BJP's defeat in the Delhi Assembly polls has opened a lot of windows for BJP's allies, in fact, and now some of them taking pot shots at the BJP after Shiv Sena and Shiromani Akali Dal. The latest backlash coming from its potential ally, the PDP, warning the BJP to take corrective measures. So the question is, has the BJP's poll drubbing put its alliance with PDP as well in jeopardy?
BJP's massive setback in Delhi Assembly polls has sent tremors in Jammu and Kashmir. Like Shiv Sena and Akali Dal, potential ally Mufti-led PDP sending a strong message to BJP after Delhi rejected BJP's negative campaign and regressive forces such as Motormouth MP Sakshi Maharaj.
Very regressive things that have been said that have perhaps been linked one way or the other with the Sangh Parivar and the absence of an outright condemnation from the top. Perhaps we see this as a message.
Tremors of Aam Aadmi Party victory in Delhi are already being felt in state of Jammu and Kashmir. Even before forging alliance, PDP has started dictating terms to BJP. PDP patron Mufti Mohammad Syed has asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take corrective measures to discipline divisive elements within the party.
On the back foot, BJP distancing itself from polarizing forces.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो हमारे पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स हैं, उनके द्वारा कभी ऐसी बात नहीं की जाती। ठीक है, किसी दूसरे समाज के नेता इस प्रकार की बात करते होंगे, लेकिन उसका भारतीय जनता पार्टी का इस इलेक्शन पर ऐसा असर हुआ, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता।
Facing heat from all quarters, is the BJP now staring at a shift of power in Jammu and Kashmir? And will it change the dynamics of its potential alliance with PDP in the coming days? Bureau Report, Times Now.